Okay, so I was thinking that my other videos where I have the two wallets, one sitting at just under 20,000 and the other one around 17,000. I know that for some people who are just getting started, or they don't really have a lot of money, that might seem like, okay, that's great for you, but what about me? I've only got like $200-300. Where do I start from? How can I realistically build my portfolio? So I wanted to start this sub-series on my Road to 100K series, and with this particular wallet, I only have $289.58 in here right now, and I'm going to show you what that's made up of. And this is just to encourage anyone that's probably on a lower budget and maybe feeling like, oh, the odds are stacked against them. Can I ever build wealth? Can I ever, change my financial circumstance? And I want to show that it is possible. So I want to start a journey with a much smaller portfolio of right now. Actually, the crypto in this wallet is actually $271, and the others is probably like some cash that's sitting in here somewhere, maybe like $15 cash sitting in here. So we're starting with around $271, right? And I believe this is a good starting point for most people. So let's do this journey together. This is another journey. Let's see where we can take this $271 to, right? Let's see where we can take it to. Let's go on a journey of, I'm going to be buying weekly into this account, and I'm not going to be buying huge amounts. I'm going to be buying maybe between $20 to $50 per week is what we're going to be doing on this account, just to see what a smaller portfolio looks like and what growth looks like on a smaller portfolio. And let's see if we can take this, or how quickly we can take this wallet from $270 to, let's say, 1,000. Let's aim for 1,000 first, and when we hit 1,000, we'll then maybe shoot for 5,000, then we'll shoot for 10,000, right? I don't know how long it's going to take, but that's why it's a journey. But I just want to show the steps and what's involved in growing any kind of portfolio. We're going to use crypto in this particular journey, but if you're buying stocks, ETFs, or any type of investment, and you're only starting with a small amount and you can only afford to contribute a small amount regularly on a weekly basis or so, or monthly, what is that journey going to look like? This is an experiment, and I want to use it to show what that journey looks like, and also to encourage people that even if you're starting small, it's better to start small than not to start at all. Okay, so $271, and in fact it only got to $271 because I actually bought some more XRP earlier today. I bought about $200 worth of XRP. So you'll see that in this wallet right now I have $196 in XRP, $9 in the Crow coin, which is the crypto.com coin. So let's I'm in my crypto.com wallet. We've got some Bunk in here as well, about $36 in Bunk. We've got some H-Bar, Hedera. Sorry, let me just walk past. Yeah, we've got some H-Bar, some Hedera, some little bit of Solana, a little tiny bit of Bitcoin, right? So that's pretty much what I'm holding. But I think the focal point on this wallet, I'm going to pretty much be buying mostly XRP, Bunk, and H-Bar, Hedera. But you'll be able to follow the journey anyway. Whenever I buy, I'm going to make a video and you see what I'm buying. And let's see what the growth looks like by the end of the year. I'm going to try and do updates every day. But if I'm not able to do them every day, I will do them on a weekly basis at the very least. And I would be grateful if you would follow this journey, especially if you're somebody that's starting to invest and you don't have a lot of money to get started. and you just want a little bit of encouragement, someone to walk that journey with you, well, let's do that together on this series. So if that's you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow this journey with me, and let's see where we can take this little $200 account. Let's see if we can get it to 1,000, to 5,000, to 10,000 and beyond. Thank you for watching. I hope you follow the journey. Again, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.